Headers and footers are a nice final touch in a document. You can easily edit them by using the methods described in this quick tip. You are probably already aware that you can create and/or edit headers and footers in Word by using the tools in the Header and Footer group over here on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Once you've created a header or footer, though, the easiest and quickest way to edit is to make sure that you are in Print Layout view, and then just double-click in the header or footer where you want to make the edits. Once you do that, the regular document fades into the background a little bit. You can see that the controls appear for both the footer and the header, and the Header and Footer tab of the ribbon becomes active. That's how you know that you're actually editing the headers and footers. Some Microsoft Word users have reported that double-clicking in the header or footer area doesn't reliably work for them. In other words, it will work at times, but at other times Word refuses to open the header or footer area. If you suffer this aggravation when using Word, just right-click on the header or footer and then choose Edit Header from the options that are presented there. Now you can edit the header or footer just like you want to. When you're done making changes to the header or footer, there are a few ways that you can return to your normal document. Personally, I find it easiest to just press the Escape key. If you prefer, you can also use the Close Header and Footer button on the Header and Footer tab of the ribbon. This tab is only visible when you are actually working in your header or footer. Finally, you can also double-click anywhere in the document and Word closes the header and footer area. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might want to sign up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.